All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. A couple of things I want to point out on Quantum. Since the last update, we were looking at this triple bottom pattern, and that did not pan out, so it did lose the 786 support here at 309. So you are headed down. You never got over the downtrend here. So what to watch for now with Quantum? If you never get over that downtrend, you're looking at the bottom here. You're looking at about a 10.5% move from where you are now down here to 251. You can see that it did hold support all back here. So if you never get over the downtrend, 251 is on the table. If you do get over the downtrend at some point, you're looking at about a 10.5% move to the upside up here to 309. But it looks like it wants to get squeezed down. Even though the stock RSI is curling up from the bottom here, you're not going to go anywhere until you get over that downtrend here. So that's what you need to watch for. And you need to get up here above 309 for any kind of support, or not support, momentum to the upside, that is. One other thing I want to point out, this is your most recent low for Quantum here. So if you lose 251, this thing's going to start getting ugly. You can see your next support, your macro support, is at this purple line here at about, what is that, 154. So this 150 area needs to hold down here on Quantum. If you lose 150, then this thing's going to crash down to the very bottom of its macro life, or whatever you want to call it. So if you lose the bottom here at 251, which I believe you should hold, but if you do lose it, you're looking at a massive 38% move down here to $1.50, and then a huge drop down here. So a total of a 67% drop down here to the 1618 at 82 cents. And remember, we are on the daily chart, so this is like a macro scale of things. Of course, you can zoom into the 4-hour, 2-hour, 30-minute, and find all the little price points of where it's going to bounce and move to. But we're not going to do that with Quantum here. Everything seems to be on their low at the bottom, so we're either going to break the low and everything, the bottom's going to fall out of a lot of things, or we're getting ready to bounce and go bullish, or have a protection bounce. Something's got to happen. So maybe we're getting in store for a nice bounce, a nice reversal in the market before it sucks everybody in and before it just crashes down to nothing. So now, like I said, it depends on the rest of the market, depends on what Bitcoin's going to do, and we'll see where these coins and tokens end up. But just looking at Quantum here, watch the low here at 250. You lose 250, it's going to get pretty ugly, in my opinion, of course. Because this right here, this middle one right here, is your macro support and resistance, and then this is your macro support and resistance, but it's like the last line in the sand for Quantum. So yeah, with that being said, just kind of watch those prices there. The Heikinashi are starting to print green, but it's kind of indecisive at the moment, so this can easily turn back to red and you can just start falling down. So the big thing to take away from this video here is you need to bounce at 251 down here. So just watch that price there. And as always, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you would, smash that like button on your way out if you're new to the channel. If this helped out in any way or you found it interesting, subscribe to the channel. We try to put up content daily and just try to cover as many coins and tokens as we can. But yeah, with that being said, peace out, everyone.